In the previous section, we discussed about the file structure involved in this project. We created various files and folders where we'll be putting our contents. Today, we'll be discussing about HTML. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. What it is used is, basically it is used to create web pages. So how do we use HTML? HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML tells the browser how to display certain contents on a web page. So let's see how a sample HTML document looks like. A sample HTML file looks something like this. There are various elements here which we'll go through one by one. So let's see first of all what it is. First of all, we have a document type reference here. What it does is it tells the browser that we are using HTML5, which is the latest version of HTML. Following the document type, we have an HTML element, which is the root of an HTML page. After that, we have a head tag. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. Following the head element, we have the title element. A title element specifies a title for the HTML page. This title will be shown on the title of our browser or our web pages tab. Following the title, we have the body element. The body element defines the document's body and is a container for all the visible contents such as headings, paragraphs, images, etc. Similarly, we have h1 and p tag which are put into the body tag. So these things such as the h1 element, the p elements are all visible on a browser. All the contents which are visible will be put into the body tag. So we discussed about elements. So what is an element in HTML? An element is defined by a start tag and then it will contain some data followed by an end tag. Similar to the h1 tag we have. We have a start tag for h1. Following that we have a content which is my first heading. After that we have a closing tag for h1. So this is what an HTML element looks like. So let's see how our output looks on the browser. As you can see, the title is the title of the file. We have a heading tag which is called my first heading. We have a paragraph tag which is called my first paragraph. This is how an HTML looks like, and this is how a basic HTML will work on a browser. In the next section, we'll be discussing about CSS and how it can be used to style an HTML web page. Thank you.